Good evening, everyone. I am Jamaluddin. Today, I am going to present my project called Jobby App, a fully functional job search application built using React. The idea behind this app is simple to help users search, filter, and explore job opportunities with detailed job information and similar job suggestions. This app demonstrates key React components concepts like state management, API integration, route protection, reusable components, and dynamic rendering. We'll go through it step by step, starting from login, moving through the job search experience, viewing job details, and finally logging out. This is the login page. It's the gateway to our application. Here, the user needs enter their username and password. Once they click the login button, the app sends this credential to an API for verification. If user is valid, password is invalid, and click login button, the error message shows username and password didn't match. Here, if the username is invalid and password is valid, click login button. They shows invalid username. Once you enter both username and password is invalid and click login button, again they show invalid user. Once you enter correct username and password and click login button. If the user it stores a JWT token in the browser cookies, this takes in what keeps the user logged in. Without logging in, the user cannot access any other pages that's handled by our protector route features, which I'll explain next. Protector route acts as a security gate in this app. It checks if a valid JW token exists in cookies. If yes, it allows the user to proceed to the requested page. If not, it automatically redirects them to the login page. This ensures that sensitive job data is only accessible to authenticated users. Once logged in, the user lands home page. At the top, we have navigation bar links, home, jobs, and logout. The main section has banner with an inspiring job search message along with a button Find Jobs. From here, the user can jump straight into exploring job opportunities. This is the jobs page, the core area of searching and filtering jobs. On left side, we have profile section showing the user's profile and name, employment type filter, full-time, part-time, freelance and internship, salary range filter, choose based on expected package. At the top, there is a search bar for keyboard-based job searches. The job list on the right updates instantly whenever a filter is applied or a search term is entered. This dynamic updating is possible because the filters are part of the API request parameters. Each job is displayed in job card format. It shows the company logo, job title, rating, location, employment type, and salary. Clicking on any job card open the job details page, which I will show you now. The job description gives a detailed overview of the role along with visit link to the company's website. The skills section lists the skills required for the role, each rendered using a reusable skills card component with icon and name. We can also have a life at company section with an image and short description about the work culture. At the bottom, we have we show similar jobs. These are displayed using the similar job items component. Each similar job has its own logo, title, and quick details so the user can explore related opportunities without going back to the main list. If the user enters invalid route, if the user enters invalid route, the page shows this not found page with a not page not found message and a friendly image. Finally, when the user when the user enters a valid when the user enters a valid route, the app can navigate it. Finally, when the user clicks logout, JWT token is removed from cookies and the user is redirected to the login page. This ensures no one can access the protected pages without logging in again. Now, let's see how the app works on mobile devices. The core functionalities is same, but the UI is optimized for small screens and touch integrations. Login page on mobile. The login form is centered and stacked vertically. Full width buttons for easy tapping. Input fields have larger touch targets. Once you enter valid username and password and login button, clicks login button, the page navigate to home page. The navigation bar becomes humber menu. To save spaces, the banner resizes to fit the smaller screen while keeping the Find Jobs button easily reachable. Filters are inside a collapsible panel instead of always visible. Job codes stack vertically and take full width. The search bar remains fixed at the top for quick access. All sections are stacked vertically. Scrolling navigation, images and icons resized for better visibility. Similar jobs are displayed on below. Works the Once the user enters invalid data, works the same as desktop, but layout stays top friendly. Once you enter valid data, they redirect you to homepage. The jobs page. This is login button. This is the mobile version. In summary, the desktop version gives a wide multi-column view for easy scanning, while the mobile version keeps everything stacked and thumb friendly. Both deliver the same functionalities with layouts. This is all about my Jobby App project. Thanks for watching this video.